guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I have Allure beauty box for May. Do you want to know what's in my box? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys, so my Allure beauty box for May just arrived. I feel like it came sooner than later. Like, it seemed like she came really early. Today is technically Thursday. You're probably not going to see this video until like the beginning of next week. But she came really early and I'm really impressed with that. So let's see what is going to be in the May beauty box. Last month I think was, the last few boxes I thought have been okay for me anyway. So there we go. When you first open it up, there's a gorgeous woman right on the top of the brochure. And then inside, we'll talk about all of the products. It says there's a lot to unpack. Tips from our editors to help you get the most out of the products in your beauty box. And it does go over a few different things on the back side of this one. So there's still some more paperwork. Hold on. There's a sneak peek to the inside of the box. And then one of the products in here, this is just some extra information on it. So let's start. So the first thing that I'm going to be pulling out is this right here. This says Wander Beauty Sightseer Vitamin C Concentrate. Ooh, let's see what this is. Let me find it in the brochure. Wander Beauty. Okay. It says the price is $42 and 30 mil. So this would be a full size product valued for $32. And let's see what it says on here. How to use. Apply and gently massage a pea-sized amount onto clean face and neck. Follow with your preferred skincare routine. Use morning and night. It says minimum effort, maximum results. And it has this lightweight formula works into skin quickly, leaving no sticky residue for hydrated, more even-toned and firmer feeling skin. Things have never looked brighter. So it's like a brightening serum. Then there's the top. There we go. It looks kind of like a lotion consistency, and it's a brightening serum. I don't smell anything. No, I don't smell anything, but you have that. And again, that is a full-size product valued for $42. So that's over the entire box in that one product. Yeah, no scent, but it does feel nice. So it would probably feel really good on your face. And then you just follow up with your normal skincare regimen. So item number 1. The next thing is going to be, this is a sheer mineral face liquid sunscreen. Broad spectrum SPF 50. So this you could probably use a few times if you're using a thin layer on your face. And that is this information for this guy. And this is not a part of the monthly thing. It's on the very back of the brochure. So this is just a little extra added sample to go with it. It's not part of the actual box. Sometimes they will have a product on the back page and it's just a little extra added bonus. So there's that. You can try out a face sunscreen. So now going back to the box, what do we have here? This is the Rich Cream Augustine batter. I'm not sure how to say that. Okay, so this is a sample product. The large full size would look like that. And that is a 50 ml full size for $265. Holy freaking moly. Let's see what this looks like. So we got this little tiny sample right here. It says directions for use. Apply to dry, cleansed skin morning and evening. Sounds simple enough. It does say a little goes a long way. So I guess this is just like a nice little face cream to put on your face, but the full size being $265. Holy moly. The container looks gorgeous, but that is a lot of money. So you have a sample here that you can try out. And again, a little goes a long way. So I can't wait to test that product. So there's a number 2. The third thing is going to be, it says Josephine Meat Tipani. I'm not sure how to say that. And it says glamorously healthy. Use the applicator wand to apply directly onto lips. Let it dry for an eye-popping matte finish. So then this must be a liquid lipstick maybe? So that's what it looks like. It seems like we get a lot of red color tones in here for lip products. So here's another red, maybe a burgundy-ish. Nope, this is a red. Whew, that is a red. That's the only thing, like Allure seems like most of all my boxes, I end up getting red lipstick. It would be nice to have, you know, some other colors every now and then. But we have that. This would be a full-size product, and it says that this is a $30 value for this guy right here. So a liquid lip, red. Now we have is a really tiny, we have a really tiny, is this an eye cream? Yeah. I have one of these already, and it is an eye cream, but it's a little different. This one says moisturizing eye balm. I have like an under eye cream, and it's just like this. And I think I have, maybe I can scrape one more usage out of it, but they're so slick because it looks like a nice little sample, but it's actually not even halfway full. That's why I laughed, because my finger like went underneath and I was like, oh, it's one of these. I have the same situation in my vanity area right now. So you get a small little tiny sample of the Belief Moisturizing Eye Balm. The full size would be a whole lot bigger, a 25 mil, where this is a 5 mil, and it's $48, and it would look like that. So this is a sample that you can try. I do like the other eye cream, so I'm really interested in trying the moisturizing eye balm because it sounds amazing. So now that I have, like I said, one more scrape out and I'm done. So now I can use this one next. But the full size would be $48 if you were interested. Now we have is a Perlice. This is the matcha green tea antioxidant sheet mask, and I've gotten this before and I really do enjoy them. Plus I love sheet masks in general, and I love putting them in the refrigerator because they feel so nice and cold and refreshing to put them on. So this normally comes in a pack of 6, which would be $28, and we received 1. So there's the eye mask, or the face mask, I'm sorry. And then the last item in here is going to be this guy. This looks like this would be a full-size product. It says Propolis Light Ampoule. It's by a company COSRX. Let me find this guy. Okay, so this is a full-size product, and this is valued for $28. It has like a little pull top to get it opened. And then when you open it, ooh, that's an interesting looking bottle. Like it has a little curb appeal to the lid. That's really cool. And it's a light ampoule. I love skincare, so I'm not bothered by getting skincare. And again, this is valued for $28, and it says directions: apply a proper amount evenly, avoiding the eye area. And that's all that it says. So you have this ampoule to use for your face. You have this face moisturizer that I can't wait to try. You have an eye cream that I cannot wait to try. You have this little guy here to try out, which would be interesting because the full side being like, what, $265? I definitely want to try the mini little deluxe sample. And then you have a red liquid lip, and then a little extra bonus, you have a face sunscreen. This is really cool. I'm going to definitely toss this in my golf bag or in my purse because you never know when you're out and you need to protect your face from the sun. So that is everything that came in this box, you guys. I'm not mad at it. I mean, could it have been better? Yes. But could it have been worse? Yes. And I've seen a whole lot worse. So I'm not mad at it. Like I said, I love skincare, and these 2 full-size products value over $50, $60, and that's definitely way over the cost of the box. And this product right here is a full size as well. So like I said, I'm not mad at it, and I love me some skincare. So let me know what you thought of this box if you get it, or if you were to have received it. Let me know what you would have thought of the items inside, or what you do think of the items that are inside of this box. If you want a little bit more information about Allure Beauty is $23 per month. So every month it's $23. You're supposed to receive 6 items or more, and a valued worth of $100 or higher in every single box. And yeah, so that is everything. Again, comment down below. Let me know what you thought about it. Your positive interaction means the world, and I greatly do appreciate it, as I greatly appreciate every single one of you guys. So until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye, Crafty crew. out.